Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. My name is Akashah Bin Shamshuddin and my Matric number is 207 and 271. This video will be about speaking accurately assessment for task A. So there will be 15 words that I will pronounce, and the first word will be category, category, category. And the second word is favorable, favorable, favorable. And the third word is accuracy, accuracy, accuracy. And the fourth word will be demonstrate, demonstrate, demonstrate. And the fifth word is secure, secure, secure. And the sixth word is adequate, adequate, adequate. And the seventh word is honor, honor, honor. And the eighth word is consider, consider, consider. And the ninth word is instead, instead, instead. And the 10th word is brochure, brochure, brochure. And the 11th word is object, object, object. And the 12th word is variation, variation, variation. And the 13th word is oblige, oblige, oblige. And the 14th word is submit, submit, submit. And the 15th word, which is the last word, is capacity, capacity, capacity. And that's all from me. Thank you for watching this video and bye-bye.